Take a yellow twist tie and cut it at the 5 centimeter mark. Fold it in half and twist the ends tightly. Prepare 16 petals. Take a green twist tie, fold it in half and cut it in the middle. Take half a green twist tie and fold it in half. Twist tightly at the halfway point. Smooth out both sides, pinch the tip of the head and twist the tail tightly. Adjust the shape. Prepare 2 leaves. Take a brown twisty stick, fold it at the head, then wrap it. Leave 14 centimeters at the tail end and thread it through the middle. Trim off the extra. Take a 10 centimeter green twisty stick and trim off all the fuzz. Wrap around the flower stem, leaving about 2 centimeters at the end. Take the flower center and apply glue to the back of the flower center. Attach the petals to the flower center. First, attach a cross. Then add 1 petal between every 2 petals, with 1 layer consisting of 8 petals. Apply glue to the first layer of petals. Attach the second layer of petals to the gaps between the first layer of petals. Take a 10 centimeter brown twist tie, fold the tip, then wrap it. Apply glue to the tail end and fold it inward. Continue applying glue to the flower center and attach it to the back of the petals. Apply glue to the tail of the leaf and attach it to the upper left. Attach another leaf to the lower right. Apply glue to the tail of the accessory and attach it to the upper right. Apply glue to the flower center. Attach a square pin. Adjust the shape of the petals and leaves. Apply glue to the leaf and attach the pearl. Apply glue to the flower center and attach the pearl.